Subscribe to my channel and click the bell button for more videos.
Shamsundar 1997 Enterprises Inc. presents Dark Bowser Jr. breaks his parents' alarm clock / grounded, and was inspired by Coinanimate 2020.
I'm going to break my parents' alarm clock so that they forget that they need to go to work. Ha 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 ha. Yes! Bingo! I found my parents' alarm clock. I'm going to break it. All right, now to run away before I get caught.
The next morning,
Good morning, Kate.
Good morning, Brain. How was your sleep?
It was great. Oh, my phone is ringing. I wonder who it is. Hello, Miss Green. How can I help you?
Brain, you and your wife are late for work.
What? This can't be. Our alarm clock wasn't working. This was a misunderstanding.
I don't care. If this happens again, then you are fired.
Kate, I just got a call from Miss Green. She told me that we are late for work.
What? That's impossible. We always wake up at the right time to get ready for work.
Wait a minute. I know how this happened. It was Dark Bowser Jr. He broke our alarm clock and caused us to be late for work. Dark Bowser Jr., get over here right now.
Oh my god, did I just hear what you said?
Yes! It was Dark Bowser Jr.'s fault. He was the one who broke our alarm clock and caused us to be late for work.
Well, in that case, your absence is excused. It's your son's fault. Goodbye.
Dark Bowser Jr., were you the one who broke our alarm clock and caused us to be late for work? Yes! I broke your alarm clock and caused you to be late for work. Dark Bowser Jr., how dare you break our alarm clock? Now we are late for work thanks to you.
That's it. You are grounded, 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 grounded for 89 weeks. Go to your room right now.
Wow.